So this time we have explored something great for you. Watch the video till then, you will definitely enjoy it. So, we live in Earth. Earth lives in solar system. Solar system in Milky Way galaxy, Milky Way in universe and universe in multiverse. And there are so many interesting objects out there which you can see with naked eye in space. So I'm going to tell you about some interesting facts about them and how and where to see them. First is sun. Well, sun is the most common object we see in our sky, but still there are so many interesting facts about it which will definitely blow your mind. Although it appears to be the largest star to us, but it's not the case. There are many stars even in our own galaxy which are much more larger than sun. But still, it's quite large than the most common star in our universe, the red dwarf. And the most interesting thing is, it alone contains 99.8% of the total mass of our universe. Its diameter is 1.4 km, which is almost 110 times the diameter of Earth. So approximately 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. Also, it is believed that one day sun will consume the earth. It will burn for 130 million years after it exhausted all its fuel, and it will increase in size and ultimately swallow us. Scary, right? So the sun, which is now the ultimate source of energy for us, will eventually lead us to death. But no need to worry, because hopefully until then we will be interplanetary or intergalactic species roaming around the galaxy. Our sun is the only thing observed in nature which is so close to a perfect sphere. As Earth is revolving around the sun, but it doesn't mean that sun is stationary. It is revolving around the galaxy at a speed of 225 kilometers per second and takes about 225 to 250 million years to complete its one orbit. Sun also generates solar winds which travel through the universe and are responsible for aurora borealis, popularly known as northern lights. Our sun is halfway through its life. It's 4.5 billion years old and burned half of its fuel. Next up is obviously the moon. Moon is the only permanent natural satellite of Earth and is also the fifth largest satellite in our solar system. And the interesting thing is, even it revolves around the Earth, it only shows its one face to us. That's why Chandrayaan 2 was launched to examine the other side of the moon, but unfortunately it failed. Better luck next time. Also, it is the second most densest natural satellite in our solar system. It appears to be very bright, but it actually is very dark. And to our surprise, it is responsible for a slight brightness of the day too. It is drifting away from Earth by approximately 3.8 cm each year. As we have earthquakes, there are moonquakes too, which could last up to 30 minutes, but they are much weaker than earthquakes. It has water on its surface but is in the form of ice. That's why Jeff Bezos wants to set up base on moon to extend humanity beyond Earth. Let's hope for the best. Next up is Venus. Interestingly, Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky after moon. We can say that planets don't shine this bright, but in case of Venus, it is covered with thick clouds which result in this much brightness. It's also called the morning or evening star. Also, you will be amazed to know that one day on Venus is longer than its 1 year. It is also known as Earth's sister because of its almost similar size and is closest to Earth. Venus don't have moons or rings. That it rotates in opposite direction to other planets. It rotates in clockwise direction. One can easily look at it in the night sky during November to mid of the April from northern hemisphere in west direction. Fourth is Sirius. So Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky after moon and Venus. It has 71% greater radius than our sun and also 25 times more luminous. But still it looks so small because of its distance from Earth. That is 8.6 light years away, whereas Sun is just 0.000016 light years away from us. In India, it is known as Sivana and also referred to as the faithful dog of Yudhishthir in Mahabharata in Hindu history, who followed him to heaven. One can see it easily from northern hemisphere in south direction. Fifth is Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is so bright that it can be visible to naked eyes. Even in light polluted areas, you can't miss it. It is ninth brightest and one of the largest known star in the universe. It is 640 light years away from Earth, still it can be seen from Earth. Imagine how big it is. It is 2000 degrees Celsius cooler than Sun, but is approximately 900 times larger than it. But it's nearing its end. It is less than 10 million years old but has evolved so rapidly that it is expected to end most likely within 10,000 years. Next up, definitely Milky Way band. Milky Way is a spiral-shaped galaxy and consists of billions of stars, of which a band of stars can be seen at a clear night. It can only be seen from remote areas far away from any type of light pollution. Indeed, most of the people today lives in places where it's impossible to see it because of widespread light pollution. But the best place to see it is Acadia National Park, US. In India, you can visit Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar to have a better view of Milky Way band. It looks very beautiful and soothing. You should visit it. Next up is Northern Lights. An aurora or northern or southern lights is a display in Earth's sky by nature itself. It can be seen in high altitude regions. These are caused by solar winds which creates disturbance in magnetosphere of Earth which result in amazing light show above the magnetic poles of northern and southern hemispheres. Best places to experience them are Arctic Circle, Alaska, Canada, Iceland, Greenland, Norway, Sweden and Finland. Though they can be seen in a specific time interval, that is from late August to early April. So these are some celestial objects or activities you can enjoy seeing. I hope you liked the video. If you do, press the like button and do share the video with your space freak friends. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to enjoy learning more stuff. And for more knowledge, check out our other videos. The link is in description. Until then, stay safe, stay home, stay curious.